Every tube of toothpaste begins far from the bathroom shelf. Minerals are carved straight from the earth. Raw materials begin their first transformation.
Hard rock becomes fine mineral powder.
The base of toothpaste takes shape. A second abrasive joins the formula. Protection comes from carefully controlled chemistry. Measured precisely, safety is engineered. Freshness begins in the field. Flavor is captured, drop by drop. Smoothness comes from refined science.
Every ingredient is verified before moving on.
Only approved materials continue the journey. The journey shifts from extraction to precision.
Raw materials move with purpose.